Welcome to PT Stainless Steel, where innovation meets precision. In this video, we'll take you through the entire process of making a stainless steel bottle from raw materials to a sleek, durable, and eco-friendly product. Every step is handled with care and high standards. It all begins with selecting high-quality, food-grade stainless steel. This material is chosen for its durability, heat resistance, and rust-free properties, perfect for a safe, long-lasting bottle. Every sheet is carefully inspected before moving forward. The stainless steel sheets are cut into specific sizes using high-precision cutting machines. These machines ensure each piece is uniform in size, which is essential for consistent shaping and further processing. Next, the cut pieces go into the forming section. Here, hydraulic press machines shape the flat steel into cylindrical tubes. High pressure ensures the material molds smoothly without cracking or weakening the steel. The formed tubes move on to welding. Automated welding machines seal the joint lines, creating a strong, leak-proof bond. This process is crucial to the bottle's durability and ensures no liquid escapes. After welding, the tubes are heat-treated. This step enhances the strength of the steel and releases any internal stress caused during forming. Heat treatment also helps the bottle maintain its shape over time. The cut stainless steel sheets are now ready for pressing. They are placed into a hydraulic press machine, which applies extreme force to shape them into uniform cylindrical forms. This pressing process ensures that every bottle has the exact size and thickness, critical for strength and compatibility with lids and caps. Precision during pressing guarantees product consistency and durability. Once pressing is complete, the formed cylinders are carefully removed and inspected. Workers check for defects like dents or uneven surfaces. Only the bottles that meet exact size standards move forward. Quality control at this stage ensures consistency across every product line. After cleaning, the bottles are dried using hot air blowers to remove all moisture. A completely dry surface is essential before applying any finishing or coating to ensure proper adhesion and a flawless final result. The bottle bodies are then sent to precision grinding stations. Here, fine polishing tools refine the surface, giving the stainless steel a smoother and more consistent appearance before moving to exterior design. Next is the brushing process. A brushed finish gives the bottle a matte texture, which is not only stylish but also helps mask minor scratches from daily use. This adds to the aesthetic and durability of the product. For bottles with a glossy or mirror finish, additional polishing is done using ultrafine abrasive compounds. This step requires high attention to detail and results in a reflective, premium look. After the exterior is perfected, some bottles go through a color coding process. Using powder coating or spray painting, vibrant colors are applied and then baked at high temperatures for long-lasting results. After each bottle passes the main quality check, it enters the final cleaning station. This step is essential to ensure the product is 100% safe, hygienic, and ready for packaging. Any dust, grease, or residue left from manufacturing must be completely removed before the next process. The first stage of cleaning involves a high-pressure water rinse. Filtered water sprays inside and outside the bottle to loosen debris and contaminants. The pressurized rinse also helps dislodge any fine metal particles left from polishing or welding. Next, bottles are exposed to industrial-grade steam at high temperatures. The steam kills any bacteria and removes oil or chemical residues from earlier stages. This step is crucial, especially for bottles designed to hold drinking water or food. For premium models, bottles are placed in an ultrasonic bath. High-frequency sound waves create tiny bubbles in a water solution, which clean even the smallest, hidden surfaces. This method reaches areas that brushes and sprays can't. Once fully cleaned, bottles move into a hot air drying tunnel. Warm, filtered air is blown through the bottles to eliminate all moisture. This prevents water spots and ensures a dry, clean surface for labeling or coating in the next steps. Finally, every cleaned bottle is visually inspected under bright lights. Technicians check for leftover stains, fingerprints, or watermarks. If a bottle doesn't meet the standard, it is sent back for re-cleaning to guarantee total hygiene and appearance. After passing inspection, each bottle is cleaned using high-pressure water jets. Then, it's soaked in a special cleaning solution to remove oil, dust, and metal particles. The bottle is steamed at high temperatures for sterilization, then dried with filtered hot air. This process ensures the bottle is perfectly clean, safe, and ready for coating or packaging. After forming the cylindrical body, the bottle enters the welding phase. This step is critical to ensure structural integrity. The edges of the stainless steel sheet are precisely aligned and fused using automated welding machines that apply consistent heat and pressure. Using TIG, tungsten inert gas, or laser welding, the machines create a seamless, clean weld that is both strong and leak resistant. The goal is to make the weld line almost invisible, blending it smoothly with the surface for better appearance and durability. For vacuum-insulated bottles, 2 layers of stainless steel must be welded, one for the inner wall and one for the outer. A spacer is inserted, and both walls are welded separately. This ensures long-lasting insulation and prevents heat transfer through the weld line. Each welded bottle undergoes inspection using cameras and sensors to detect cracks, gaps, or inconsistencies. Any defective welds are removed from the line. If approved, the weld area is polished to remove excess material and prepare for further processing. After welding and cleaning, the bottles enter a high-temperature heating oven. This process, known as heat treatment, strengthens the metal and removes internal stress caused by shaping and welding. The bottles are heated evenly to ensure durability and perfect form before continuing to the next production stage. Once welding is complete, bottles enter a heat treatment oven set to high temperatures. This strengthens the metal and relieves internal stress. Operators wear heat-resistant gloves and safety gear, as the area is extremely hot. Strict safety protocols are followed to ensure no accidents during loading and unloading the oven. The heating cycle is carefully timed to avoid overheating, which can deform the bottle. Temperature sensors monitor the process in real time. Once the cycle ends, bottles are slowly cooled to prevent cracking. Only after this step can the product move forward to insulation or polishing. After cutting and forming, the bottle edges can be sharp and unsafe. To fix this, each bottle goes through a deburring process using grinding wheels and fine abrasive tools. This step smooths out all rough or sharp edges, making the bottle safe to handle and comfortable to drink from. Special attention is given to the bottle's mouth area where users make direct contact. Rotary tools and sanding belts are used to round off the rim with precision. Technicians also manually inspect the edges to ensure there are no hidden burrs that could cause injury or discomfort during use. For premium-grade bottles, an extra deburring stage is added using ultrasonic tools. These tools vibrate at high frequency to reach tiny edges that regular machines might miss. This ensures maximum safety and comfort. Only bottles with completely smooth edges can proceed to the next production phase. Before any paint is applied, the bottle's surface must be perfectly clean. Dust, oil, or moisture can ruin the finish. Each bottle is blown with filtered air and wiped down to ensure maximum paint adhesion. This step is critical to avoid peeling or bubbles later on. The base coat is the foundation of the bottle's color. Using automatic spray guns, a thin, even layer of food-safe, heat-resistant paint is applied. The spray system rotates around each bottle, ensuring full 360-degree coverage without streaks or clumps. Once the base paint is dry and cured, the bottle is prepared for labeling. The surface must be clean and static-free to ensure the label or logo adheres properly. A light solvent wipe removes any residual particles that could interfere with the branding process. 2 main methods are used: screen printing and laser engraving. Screen printing applies ink-based designs directly onto the surface, perfect for color logos. For a premium, permanent look, laser engraving burns the design into the metal with precise, clean lines. If printed, the ink is cured under UV light or gentle heat to make it long-lasting and fade-resistant. Each bottle is inspected to ensure the logo is sharp, centered, and free of smudges. A well-applied brand mark enhances both identity and product value. Stainless steel bottles can feature logos using various methods. Screen printing is ideal for colorful, detailed designs. Laser engraving gives a permanent, elegant mark without using ink. Pad printing suits curved surfaces. For premium models, UV printing offers high-resolution logos with vibrant colors. Each method is chosen based on design, durability, and bottle finish. Each bottle is filled with water and sealed, then placed under pressure to check for leaks. If even a single drop escapes, the bottle is rejected. This ensures that every unit is 100% leak-proof and safe for daily use. For insulated models, a vacuum integrity test is performed. Sensors check if the vacuum between the inner and outer layers is sealed properly. Bottles are also tested for temperature retention, how long they can keep drinks hot or cold. Bottles undergo drop and scratch resistance tests. They are dropped from standard heights and rubbed with rough materials to simulate daily use. Only bottles that pass all tests, leak, insulation, and strength, are approved for packaging. The cap must screw on smoothly and seal tightly. Bottles are tested with their actual caps to ensure perfect thread alignment and a secure fit. A loose or overly tight cap can affect user experience and cause leakage. Before packaging, each bottle is inspected under strong lighting. Inspectors look for surface defects, paint inconsistencies, or logo misprints. Even minor imperfections like smudges or faded text result in the bottle being pulled from the production line. Before packaging, each bottle receives a final microfiber wipe to remove fingerprints and dust. The bottle is checked one last time for shine, alignment, and cleanliness. This ensures it reaches customers in perfect condition, ready to use right out of the box.